The Wishful Cow.
Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn English through a heartwarming story about a farmer named Thomas. Stick around until the end for a vocabulary lesson using words from the story. Once upon a time in the picturesque village of Green Meadows, there lived a humble farmer named Thomas. He was a kind and hard-working man, but despite his best efforts, his farm yielded barely enough to sustain his family. One particularly dry season, his crops withered, and his animals grew thin, desperate, and without hope. Thomas prayed for a miracle. One sunny morning, as Thomas tended to his fields, he noticed an unusual cow at the edge of his pasture. This cow was unlike any he had ever seen. It was a pure, gleaming white with golden horns that shimmered in the sunlight. The cow approached Thomas with an air of grace and mystery. Intrigued, Thomas gently patted the cow's head. To his amazement, the cow spoke in a soft, melodious voice. "Good day, Thomas. I am Bella, a magical cow sent to aid you in your time of need." Bella assured him, "I am real, Thomas. Your prayers have been heard, and I am here to help you every day. I will give you one pail of milk. This milk is not ordinary. It has the power to heal, to nourish, and to bring prosperity." Overwhelmed with gratitude, Thomas led Bella to his barn and gave her the best hay he had. The next morning, as promised, Bella filled a pail with her magical milk. Thomas took the milk to his wife, Mary, who was unwell after drinking the milk. Mary felt rejuvenated and full of energy. Word of the miraculous milk spread quickly through the village. People came from far and wide, bringing their sick and weary to Thomas's farm. Each visitor received a cup of Bella's milk, and each left feeling healthier and happier. The village of Green Meadows flourished. The once barren fields became lush and green, and the villagers grew prosperous and content. Despite the newfound wealth, Thomas remained humble. He shared his blessings with everyone, never turning away those in need. Bella, too, seemed pleased with her new home and the good she brought to the community. One evening, as the sun set over the rolling hills, Bella spoke to Thomas once more. "The time has come for me to return to my magical realm. Your village is now thriving, and you have shown great kindness and generosity." Thomas felt a pang of sorrow at the thought of losing Bella, but understood that her work was done. "Thank you, Bella, for everything. We will never forget you." With a final gentle nuzzle, Bella trotted to the edge of the meadow. As she crossed the threshold of the farm, she shimmered and disappeared into the twilight, leaving behind a golden glow that lingered in the air. Thomas and the villagers honored Bella's memory by planting a beautiful garden where she had first appeared. They called it Bella's Garden, and it became a place of peace and reflection, a reminder of the magic that kindness and generosity can bring into the world. And so the village of Green Meadows continued to prosper, its people living in harmony and gratitude, forever touched by the magic of a remarkable cow named Bella. Vocabulary: picturesque, very beautiful and pretty, like a picture. Example: the picturesque village looked like it was taken right out of a fairy tale. Meadows: open grassy fields, often filled with flowers. Example: the cows grazed peacefully in the green meadows. Withered: shrunken or dried up, usually due to lack of water or age. Example: the flowers in the garden withered during the hot, dry summer. Gleaming: shining brightly, often reflecting light. Example: the morning sun made the lake water gleam like silver. Intrigued: very interested and curious. Example: she was intrigued by the old, mysterious book she found in the attic. Pail: a bucket, used for carrying liquids or other items. Example: he filled the pail with water from the well. rejuvenated, made to feel or look young and energetic again. Example, after a good night's sleep, she felt rejuvenated and ready for the day. Barren, not able to produce plants or crops. Empty. Example, the barren desert stretched out for miles, with no sign of life. Prosperous, successful and wealthy. Example, the prosperous town had many thriving businesses and happy residents. Generosity, willingness to give and share with others. Example, her generosity was evident when she donated her old clothes to the charity. Pang, a sudden sharp feeling of pain or emotion. Example, he felt a pang of guilt when he remembered forgetting his friend's birthday. Sorrow, deep sadness. Example, she felt deep sorrow when her pet dog passed away. Nuzzle, to gently rub or push against something with the nose or mouth. Example, the cat nuzzled its owner's hand, asking for attention. Trotted, walked at a moderate, steady pace. Example, the horse trotted across the field, looking graceful and strong. Threshold, the bottom of a doorway, a point of entry or beginning. Example, she paused at the threshold of her new home, excited to start her new life. Twilight, the soft light in the sky just after sunset. Example, the sky turned a beautiful shade of purple during twilight. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot to us. See you in the next video.